Detecting if a string is a pangram in Python. How is this working? It checks if a string contains each character from A to Z at least once. This returns true, for example. I can only assume it is something to do with lexicographical ordering as stated here, but still a bit confused. Comparing two lists using the greater than or less than operator. When I read the link in this question, this URL, it says, sequence objects may be compared to other objects with the same sequence type. The comparison uses lexicographical ordering. First, the first two items are compared, and if they differ, this determines the outcome of the comparison. If they are equal, the next two items are compared, and so on, until either sequence is exhausted. If two items to be compared are themselves sequences of the same type, the lexicographical comparison is carried out recursively. If all items of two sequences compare equal, the sequences are considered equal. If one sequence is an initial subsequence of the other, the shorter sequence is the smaller, lesser one. Lexicographical ordering for strings uses the Unicode code point number to order individual characters. Some examples of comparisons between sequences of the same type. But this isn't clear to me.
It is a set operation, not list, which is equivalent to S less than equals T S dot issue set T test whether every element in S is in T. See here, this URL. Edit, see here for the current version of set, though easier explanation is given in the old version, for comparisons.
No. It's comparing two sets. So it's converting the input string to lowercase and then using Python's set type to compare it with the set of lowercase letters. This is very useful and fast technique for comparing two lists to see what members they have in common/difference.
If you would like to see more, please subscribe.